Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to Ingersoll Rand's unboxing, our very first live. And before we get going here, I'll just take a moment and let other people join in and check this out. As you can see by the label, we're going to be talking about the 2850MAX-6. That specific tool is in this box, and instead of speaking about a product itself, I want to take you through the entire process and show you exactly what it's like from the time the box arrives at your doorstep to assembly, to being able to put it in action and have this tool get to work for you. So again, we'll just take another moment or so while we wait for a couple more people to join. So one of the cool things about this is, even though it's a live video, it will be reposted again. So for anybody that's joining in a little bit late, you'll have the opportunity to get a recap and check out everything that's going on. So again, 2850MAX-6, this is our unboxing right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the tool. So this is the product, this is how it will be delivered to you in the box, and we'll go ahead and open it up. And the first thing you'll notice, it's very basic, couple pieces of literature, and it's very important to go through the safety information on all of our products. So the manual pamphlet is here for you to review at your time. And then also, this is a very, very good card to keep a hold of. So if you just go to Ingersoll Rand products and you wanted to get some more information on any of our products, but this tool specific, you can get product information by listing in this product numbers, parts information, and list all of these in the search bar, again at IngersollRandProducts.com, and it will take you directly to any piece of the information that you're looking for. Now we'll go ahead and we'll remove the packaging, and there's our tool. And you can see it's pretty basic, right? It almost comes ready to use. So this is our 2850MAX-6, and we'll have the coupler ring and our unique handle that'll help you be able to access this tool and get it into different positions. And I'll explain a little bit more about that later on. Simply pop the tool up out, grab the two bolts. That's the only assembly you'll have to do. Got some help here getting the box out of the way. And a couple things I want to point out with this. So this tool looks massive, and it does massive jobs, but it's not massive at all when it comes to the weight, right? So this tool is one of the best when it comes to power to weight ratios in the market. At 21.5 pounds, delivering 2,100 foot-pounds of impact or torque and 5,500 RPMs, this makes it one of the leading 1-inch impacts on the market. So with that being said, with all that capability, all that power, you need to have a little bit of adjustability built into it. And that's what we have here with our 3-position power regulator. But guess what? This power regulator isn't just 3-position one way, it's both ways. So forward and reverse. So if you're using an application that needs you to tighten or loosen in left-hand or right-handed threads, you're going to be able to have the ability to adjust this tool to fit your application needs. So next, we'll go ahead and we'll slide this coupler ring over, and you can see that there's a groove set on this tool that you'll have to slide the ring over top of, and that will keep it from sliding. So it gives you great capabilities and maneuverability in holding this. Opening up our packaging. Now I'm not going to go ahead and tighten these right now. I'm just going to get them started just to give you an idea of how quickly you can get your tools up and running. And then also, excuse me, I'm going to lean around here. Along with the capability of making this tool universal, whether you're left-handed, right-handed, it doesn't matter. This tool will be able to get that on there, get it lined up a little bit. The great thing about being live, but we are doing it with our fingers here. So now this tool can be positioned any which way you need. 360, left-handed, right-handed, upside down. It's going to give you the ability to use this tool for the application that you feel is needed. One of the other cool things about this is the exhaust port. So it's a direct exhaust port. This will increase airflow without increasing back pressure. So this actually creates a better performing product and durability and long lasting. Aluminum handle and the feather touch trigger also give you all that adjustability that you need as well. One of the cool things about this product as well is the inlet screen. So hopefully you're using Ingersoll Rand air to provide or to power this beast. But just in case, one of the cool things you need to make sure you're doing is to remove these inlet screens periodically and clean them out. Any debris in there will actually hinder the performance of your tool just because it's collecting all the trash, also creating longevity for your product. With the twin hammer mechanism, Ingersoll Rand's built a long legacy on this, over 100 years. It's got twin hammer mechanisms. It's the leading in the industry when it comes to impacts. The balance of this product is like none other. You can hold this, and it's not top heavy, back heavy, or anything. You can actually maneuver this tool and not let this tool maneuver you. You actually control this tool very easily. And lastly, I'll share with you, back to the inlet screen, is the versatility in the air inlet. It allows you to have 360 degrees rotation, so it keeps the hoses from not binding up at all. So that is the introduction to our 2850 MAX-6. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below. Over the next day or so, we'll make sure that we answer all those questions. So feel free to check back often as you like, so that we can get all your questions answered. Look forward to hearing back from you guys again. Stay tuned to more of our information on our social channels. And in addition, what would you like to see next from us? This is our very first one, and we want to continue to grow this program, but we want to grow it in a way that you feel is beneficial. So please, in the comments below, let us know what you'd like to see next.